Hey guys, it's your boy PTC Pet. As you can see, I'm almost not visible anymore as it is late in the evening. My little girl is going to sleep, and of course, I have to make sure that I'm keeping it down. So let me talk a little bit about a commission. There is multiple ways to earn a commission, and I'm going to guide you through how. So bear with me, guys. Let me share my screen and then finish this video, then make another one about the bonus, and then we're gonna make sure that I'm going to end it for the night. As you can see, I'm sharing my screen. This is from the trader. As I taught you guys to make your own link, let's just go like this. ROBOFOREX, of course, this is my buddy David. You can see that he is taking 30% of wins commission and he's giving back 50% to those that are making, new clients for him. You can see it here, like 14,969. Those who make new clients, make sure to work with him, and then he's going to give that commission back if you make an account and also make a link and promote it with other people. Just to show a little bit about today, let's just click here. I believe you can see it here, like total amount of commission paid from Wall Street is 151. Fun fact, guys, is that last week I had $30 of affiliate commission from him because, of course, I'm just working with RoboForex for 2 weeks. I'm promoting it for 10 days, so I'm very grateful for everybody who put the trust in me. As you can see, the affiliate commission is 50%. You can see directly that this investor made, he made 4% commission from it. He sends 2% to me, 20, and then 10, 166, 183. He has a 50% profit share, and this is amazing, I have to say. I cannot say anything else. Like this person made $132 and 66 is for me. This person made $10, $5 and 21 is for me. This is just a little bit how that works. So I hope you understand this one. Let me click it away. Let me click this one away also. And of course, we also have a commission from the fees from, of course, as you can see, agent ID ondj. If people are using my partner code when signing up, when creating a new wallet, let me also show that one to you guys, as I also already made another video showing it. But of course, when people make a wallet, they can also put in the partner code. So in this case, it would be ondj. That is how that works. And of course, you can see it also that this is in the last, this is from today. And I am very grateful because I'm just building out. I'm making sure that, I'm building it out, making sure that everybody is earning. And you can see it here. This is like from all different people that did gold transfers. And you can see this is all bought on the gold. And of course, also, I'm getting a little bit of commission from that. This is from people using the partner code. And as I also showed in my other video, how to make that partner code, this is how to check that. I hope this is clear, guys. Let me check it out. What's this? Okay. So there is two different commissions. There is a commission of, the partner code. There is a commission that you can get one time a week from the trader. That is this one. Get the commission details. Oh no, this is not this one. Well, that was the one I just closed. And that is like one time a week. You can see it here, like it's in English, but okay. Affiliate, one time investment period, one time a week. That means that every week you're going to be paying that 30% commission. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands, and stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making money, guys.